Bye. I'm ready to tell you how I made it happen in the sweet sauce and how I'm going to continue to take it more to the next level.
We got Bruce up on the track.
YouTube, what's going on? It's Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, bring you guys another official video. All right, guys, I know you guys been waiting for an update on the wide body Audi big turbo A5. As you can see, guys, still working on it. So I actually did a few engine mods. I'm really working on getting the engine where it needs to be, as well. As you can see, just change the timing chain cover, valve cover, put the new head in there. So that's just giving you info about that. But guys, look at this, right? So right now, as you can see, I'm pretty happy with the front end aspect of it. I feel like I have the contouring exactly where I need it to be. I'm on the front. I love the structure of the open wideness right here. It gives it more of a wider look, right? If you look right here, the arches look pretty decent. I'm going for that whole, I don't only want this to be something that looks good, I want it to be functional, right? So that's why I'm doing it with the car drop, because I want to be able to say I'm still able to turn the wheel well, I'm still able to function the car in case I'm driving, the car slams, airbags go out, etc., right? So as you can see, looking pretty decent on the front. I have the arches right where I want them to be, as well as the extra side skirt that's going to be built or integrated into the vehicle. So see, I got the wing over there, guys. Sometimes it get tough, guys. Sometimes you need a little pomegranate and wine, man. I'm telling you guys. But anyway, so if we look right here, guys, looking pretty decent. So my biggest goal recently has been working on the back. Oh man, look at that Audi RS5 over there. Anyway, back to the topic. So I've been trying to think about what's the best thing I can do for the back. I feel like I got the rest of the car where I need it to be. And this is an extremely rough draft, so the cutting and the shavings are gonna be really off. But yeah, I just want to show you guys. So this is the back, right? So as you can see, I've been looking for really a good way that I can add some volume to it and at the same time give it an extreme look. So this is what I came up with. What do you guys think? Of course, right now it's a lot of tape and, you know, a lot of cardboard, but I was really just trying to contour where I want it to be and how I want it to be when it comes to the diffuser and seeing what I can extend out. So as you can see, this is how we're looking so far. As far as the back, I think it looks pretty dope. What do you guys think? I'm really liking the vibe of it. I kind of squared off the bottom a little bit more to give it that wider look. As you can see, it's open tire, right? So it's gonna be open tire. And on the side, to give you guys a side view right here, this is, I kind of had it come this way and come this way for a more aggressive look. Let me see if I can squeeze in for a more aggressive look. And then over here, and guys, I made this tire because I have some different wheelbarrows, and at the same time, I'm gonna probably put some spacers to bring it out a little bit more, because this is gonna be the widest Audi in the world. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be the widest Audi in the world. So as you can see right here, I kind of worked my way right there to kind of bring that arch. So as you can see right here, I kind of worked my way that way to kind of bring the arch this way. I think it's a cooler look. This is gonna give you a big aesthetic of how it looks with that arch like that. Just block this sun. It's gonna give you an idea of how it looks with this, with the arch like that. So yeah, guys, so that's what I've been working on. Really just trying to finalize, and all of this is gonna be blended into the car, but I am gonna make a wide body kit to where you can take it off and mold it into the car. But yeah, this is what I came up with, guys, on the back. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Would you do something differently? I made this diffuser too. This diffuser was designed off an Audi A8 Liberty Walk, so I actually made that diffuser. So yeah, this is where I'm at so far with the back. So I think I'm happy with this. So I'm going to go ahead and finalize it, make some good pieces. The way I do it is I just get little pieces together and I just kind of build it. Then I just take that shape and I shape it from there. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up this side. And then I think at that point, guys, I'm going to be pretty much ready to do the other side. And once I do the other side, I think at that point, I'm going to go ahead and start fiberglassing. I was thinking about doing something to the hood. I love sometimes how the hoods just kind of slope inwards. But of course, I got an engine there, and that's going to be really for the rear driving vehicles where the engine's in the back, so you have the space in the front. But I was thinking about doing something with the hood too. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Just want to kind of give you guys an update on how we're doing on the Audi A5 big turbo build. Hope you guys like it. Remember, I'm going to do a video on making this Tesla diffuser into an Audi RS5 diffuser. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Old fenders. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Old kit, new kit. Peace and out.